Hello, hi, welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass. Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In the chapter number 21, we can draw the scattering leaves form and use as a brush tool. Just go to your Illustrator. In this video or in this chapter, we want to learn how to make one attractive design like leaves. Okay, and these leaves we can use as a paint brush. So just start, delete everything. I want to make one ellipse shape. Okay, and we can add, just a minute, default. Okay, we can modify this as a like that. Just a minute. Just a minute. We can make a one leaves like that. Okay, like that. Okay, and here also is the, I want some simplify like that. Okay, and just go to effect and apply as a zigzag. Okay, path, no, just go to this, destroy and transform and apply a zigzag form. Here is the asking the size of zigzag, simply 3, or this red per segment 3, it's enough. Smooth corner. Okay, now there is a zigzag very less. I want to improve this object. Go to improve and path and add a anchor point. Again go to there and path, go to add a headache like that. Okay, just change the background color. I want black color like that. Okay, now we have to remove this zigzag point from here. Okay, so just simplify this area. Okay, just go to object, path and simplify it. Okay, now I want to remove this area also like that. Add, remove, delete anchor point. Just a minute, this anchor point will be, no, it's gone. Okay, no doubt. This is the one leaves form, and we have to paint here something like that. Okay, just go to basic tool, paint brush size should be 3 point, and color will be white. Okay, no, that's color should be white. Go to click, draw a one like that. Okay, zigzag point is coming like that. Why zigzag point? Uniform. Okay, simplify like that. Go to effect, destroy. Just a minute. line outline. Okay. Zigzag point is coming out. Simply Ctrl Z. Paintbrush. Just a minute. Basic. This point. Stroke. Okay. Zigzag point is coming out. Object. Path. Cleanup. Effect. Ink outline. Convert to shape. Okay, just a minute. Select effect. Convert to shape. Okay. Select everything. Right click. Simplify already I have given. Okay. Just go to paintbrush. Okay. Right now is coming out. Yeah. So we have to change the color of white color like that, and go to select a paintbrush, one line over here like that. With the help of paintbrush we can make one like that, that. Okay. Now select everything with help of magic wand. Click here, will be similar object will be selected, and convert to basic line like that. Okay. Now it's ready to one leaves form, and we have to copy this only again, and size will be small like that. Okay. Now this form should be group, and I want to this group will be used in as a brush. So just open this brush panel, and I want to add this brush over here. This is the scale brush. Okay. And here is the fixed random. Everything is gone. Method will be tint and shade. Okay. Now we can draw something with the help of pencil like that, and I want to apply this pencil as a paintbrush. I have using this. Okay, this like that. So simplify, you can do it as a paintbrush. I have made one leaves form and apply as a paintbrush, and we can use as a any shape like that. I want to use as a leaf form. Okay. So if you know the tools of basic tools and advanced tools, you can draw anything in Illustrator. Okay. Thank you for watching.